This product was sent to me from a brand to do an honest review, and I may earn commissions on this video. So today we're unboxing these headlights to show you guys what comes with the kit. So they do give you your plug adapters. So it is a fully sealed, looks like, fully sealed headlight. Again, they give you your plug for plug and play. Well, pretty much plug and play. You still got to wire this up a little bit. And here they show you guys how to do everything. So pause the video if you lose your manual. And for those wondering, yes, they are DOT.